Hi guys, welcome back to Cricut Monday. What we're going to be doing today is I have a mug. I've had it for quite a while. I don't even know where I picked it up at. And I want to make a really cute mug for Easter. Now, if you don't have a Cricut and you're not interested in this video, I hate to see you go, but I will see you tomorrow, Tuesday, for probably a Dollar Tree DIY, okay? So I already have Design Space loaded here on my canvas, and we're going to go to the circle with the plus, new project, and that will put us on our canvas. And the mailman is out there, and Maggie is having a fit, if you can hear her, okay? Now, when I upgraded, it gave me a new canvas when I had that software update, but it started freezing, and I want to show you how you can fix that. You just go up here to these little lines over here on the left, and you go to down here to settings right here on the left, right here. You click on that, and then it was on new, and I just clicked on classic and done, okay? So now, hopefully, I won't have this problem. So I found this really cute religious image online, and I'll link it in the description box below. It's free. All you have to do is just give them your name and your email address, okay? So I want to show you how to upload this. We're going to go to upload right here on the left side of the screen. I'm going to click upload. Then I'm going to go to upload image, and I'm going to browse. Going to go to recents, and it comes in a PNG or a JPEG. I have the JPEG, but I'm going to show you how to turn it in to like an SVG. So you're going to open it, click there, hit complex, go down to the right bottom corner, continue. Now right over here you have these, at the top left of your screen, you have this wand. It will select and erase. You have an eraser, and then you can crop. I'm going to click the wand, and then I'm just going to click in this background. Now it's going to make this like a transparent, okay? But I also have to go in each little area that's white and click on that to make that totally an SVG, okay? So when I'm done with that, I'm going to go to the bottom, continue, and everything looks good. Then I'm going to save it as a print, then cut. On my new update, print then cut used to be over here, and cut used to be on the right, but now this is print then cut. That's what you always want to save it. And just add some little tags, Easter, comma, religious, and you could even type shirt, because that would be beautiful on a shirt. And you could type mug, okay? And then we're going to the right bottom corner and hit upload. All right, and it has uploaded my image. So I'm going to click on that. It'll put a green box around it. Going to go to the right hand side lower part of my screen and click insert images, okay? Now when it comes on here, you'll see it's like that. All right, now it's a print then cut, and I don't want that. So I'm going to go up here to fill, and I'm going to put no fill. And that turns this in, if you look over in the right side of the layers column, into a cut, okay? But that's way too large. So let me see how big I want to make this on my mug. I think I want to make this maybe 3 wide by 3 tall. Let's see what that does. So we'll go out from size at the top. There's a little lock. You'll unlock that. Then for the width, we'll go 3.0. And for the height, we'll go 3.0 and see what that, and then lock it back, and that's what it looks like. I think that will be good, okay? So we're going to go to make it right top corner. It's going to put it on our mat, and you don't want to mirror this because we're going to be using transfer tape to apply this, okay? So we're going to go to continue. Right bottom corner is connecting to my computer, and I just picked USB, okay? And it's set to vinyl, all right? And I'm not going to increase my pressure or anything. So the next time you see me, we will be cutting out this vinyl and putting on this really cute mug. Okay, here's the mug that I have. I just picked it up at the Dollar Tree. I was trying to find something really springy, but the only thing I could find is just like this creamish white mug. It's really more, I guess, it's white, but it's got more towards the creamy side. And we're going to be using this Cricut removable vinyl in this really pretty springy green color. And before you transfer any vinyl, try to apply it on a mug or a plate or anything like that, you need to take, and I've already done this, rubbing alcohol and just clean the front with like a cotton round and just set it aside to let it dry, and I've done that. So what we're going to do, I don't even think I've told you what, we're making a mug, but what I'm going to do, I wanted to make one for Easter because as far as my family and I are concerned, Jesus is the reason for Easter. It's all about his death, burial, and resurrection. So this says he is risen, hallelujah, and I thought that would be so pretty, okay? So I'm going to insert it with the blinking arrow. And I'm going to cut with the blinking C, okay? And you will need some transfer tape. And you do not want to mirror your image. And this is the mug that I did earlier. I had this one, and I love that really pastel blue, but it has these ridges on it. So when I made it with the white Cricut vinyl, this H messed up right on there. So I wanted to do another one. But I thought that would be so pretty, you know, to drink your tea or coffee out of. But those ridges really threw me off. Okay, it's finished. Now we're going to eject it with the blinking arrow. And I'm going to weed this on my mat. You just pull away everything that you do not want. This would be really pretty on a shirt. So we'll just go ahead. And Maggie is with Daddy in the living room. I filmed this 2 separate days because I got really busy yesterday. Okay, then all I'm going to do is peel my transfer tape off, which you can reuse. Okay, and I'm just going to stick this right on there and use your little scraper tool. Okay, and then we're going to remove it just like this. And then we're going to take it to our mug and put it about like that, okay? And all you have to do is just apply it. We'll start removing it. Now, I always hand wash mine. I don't put them in the dishwasher. So I don't know how it would turn out in a dishwasher. I did put one in a dishwasher quite a while ago, and it did well, but I haven't done it in a long time. Sometimes if it wants to pull up, you can change your direction. And that makes all the difference in the world, okay? So here's our beautiful little cup. He is risen, hallelujah. And I think that is so pretty and so perfect for Easter. You could give these as gifts and fill them with like Easter candies or whatever. And then after they eat their candy, they have this to remember you by. I think it's wonderful, and it's such a beautiful saying. I love the contrast of the 2 fonts. I think this is really cute. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. It really helps me out on YouTube. And if you're not already subscribed to my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe and become a member of our family. And if you subscribe, hit that notification bell and set it to all so you won't miss an upload. So I will see you tomorrow, Tuesday, for a Dollar Tree DIY. Until next time, bye guys.